What's good, y'all? It's your boy, That Guy Ike. You're checking out another episode of Ike Life. And before you get a GoPro, man, you might want to do some research. I just picked up this little bad boy. We'll see what it's about in this video, alright? Thanks for joining me. What's good, y'all? It's your boy, That Guy Ike. And like I said, you're back in another episode of Ike Life, the moto vlog, do-it-yourself, car, auto, channel, music. We got so much stuff going on this channel, and like I said, it's just starting out. I am thankful for the new subscribers. Thank you for the views. I just hope to continue to create, content that people want to know about, answer questions that people have, and maybe get people excited about, living their life and just doing what they want to do and enjoying every bit of life, man. So today, this video, man, is about this gem right here. This is the Dragon Touch action camera Vision 4. It does have electronic stabilization on it. It's a 4K camera. Let's see, I'm gonna do a ghetto style. We're gonna go down the notes. It got 16 megapixels, 170 degree field of view, just like your GoPro cameras. It's waterproof up to 98 feet with the waterproof case, and it does connect Wi-Fi through the phone. So now that we got that out of the way, we can throw that over there. So check it out. I purchased this camera because, I noticed. First off, let me go back a little bit. I apologize about the Can-Am footage. I wasn't able to capture it, which led me to buying this camera. And actually, I got this camera off of Amazon. And let's see, I got the actual camera here. This is it right here. It has a little screen on the back, which is pretty cool. And we're gonna go into some footage from this camera shortly. But I got the camera off Amazon. It was $69.99, I want to say. $69.99, whatever. I'll put a link in the description below, so if you want to get this camera, you can check it out. It comes with all types of attachments and connections and straps, and it has a waterproof case that comes in it. Just to give you a hint, when it comes to the waterproof case, if you happen to purchase this camera, if you are going to be using it for moto vlogging and you want to record audio at the same time, it's another thing. It comes with a microphone as well, an external mic, which is pretty good. And I'll go through an audio clip of that in a second as well. But with this camera, if you do happen to purchase it, it comes with the waterproof case. If you're going to be using it for moto vlogging, you're going to have to connect the mic to it, of course. But while it's in the waterproof case, there is no port, I guess to say, to connect the mic, of course, because it's a waterproof case. So what I had to do was actually get the good old Dremel out, and I cut a hole in the side of it, which no longer makes it waterproof, but it makes it usable for my moto vlogs, and it's not a big deal. It's only 69 bucks. I'm going to buy another one anyway that has a waterproof case, so if I ever wanted to use it in the water, then I have my waterproof case, then I have my one for my motor vlogs. It's whatever. And I don't know why is there helicopters flying over me right now. This is crazy. This is too much. Hold on, I'm just gonna wait. So as the helicopter has went by, the helicopter has passed now. With the camera, again, it's the Dragon Touch 4K EIS. It's $69.99. Again, I'll put the description for it below. Hope you guys check it out. I think it's a good camera. It comes with 2 batteries. It comes with the charger. You can get extra batteries if you want. It comes with multiple, mounts and connections. Actually, this is one of the ones that's on my helmet right here. Y'all know that visor is so dope. It got a chip in it, but whatever. But yeah, y'all know that visor is so crazy. But that's one of the connections right there. I put it on the side. It has all the actual GoPro mounts. You can use all those with it. So you can just go online if you want different types of mounting scenarios. I'm thinking about changing my mount from a side mount because I noticed when I ride with it, it sort of pulls to that side because of the air. So I'm thinking about putting it to a front mount. I just got to figure out how to mount it on my type of helmet because of the curves and extra pieces on it. So yeah, you can do that. You can buy those pieces from a GoPro, and I think it's a dope camera. But enough about me talking. I've already wasted about 5 minutes of your life. Let's just get to the footage of the camera, all right? And y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna do footage just directly with the external mic, which the camera has, running at 4K with the electronic stabilization on it, and then also I'm gonna do footage with my helmet on, with the plug-in mic for it. All right, so Check it out. Hope y'all like it. Let me know what you think. Put your comments below. As always, make sure you subscribe, click the bell for alerts, and we're trying to get this channel popping, man. So this is the helmet view of the camera. I have the external mic plugged in right now. So as you see, I'm just trying to see what y'all see. Let's see. So yeah, this is the helmet view of it. And so, you know, when I'm out and I'm riding and I'm doing my thing, yeah, I will see everything that I see. I think it looks cool. Looks pretty dope. What I would probably suggest though is not running electronic stabilization when it's mounted on something, like on the helmet for that matter, because with the electronic, you know, stabilization control, because you already have it on something that's fixed and it's not really going to be doing that much moving, it'll probably give you like these weird like wavy features. I don't know if you can see it like when I sort of turn, but other than that, man, I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. I think it's pretty dope. And yeah, this is the view of the camera. And like I said, it comes with all types of attachments. Look at the sun. It comes with all types of attachments with it. So stuff that you'll probably like, stuff that you'll, you know, could do some extra stuff with. I think it's pretty dope. So this is the camera. We're outside, just in my backyard. You know what I mean? Just seeing what's going on. So this is the camera. If you can't, another thing that's dope about this camera is that it connects through Wi-Fi. So if you can see what's on my phone is what's on the camera. Hold on, let me try to get it there in focus. What's on my phone is what's on the camera. I think it's pretty dope. Let me back it out here. There we go. So that's what I'm looking at, which I think is pretty cool. But yeah, this is the camera right here. This is how it shoots, man. I think it shoots pretty good. Remind you, this is shooting at 4K. You know, I think it's pretty dope. That's my daughter over there. One of my daughters, because I got 5. Yeah, so, you know, out here in the backyard, doing some leaves, you know, some raking. So there you have it, people. You know, that was the camera. I hope you dig it. Again, man, it's the Dragon Touch 4K. And again, the description will be down and below. Check it out, man. It's, you know, it's a small minimal investment. You know, I figure instead of paying, you know, all that money for a GoPro, 200, 300, I think the new GoPro White is like 180, maybe 2. You know, I'd rather go ahead and jump in and test out the $70 camera, since I've seen some good things about it online, searching around. So check it out. If you like it, let me know. If you have it, let me know some tips and tricks, maybe some things, some different settings that I could do. I'm always open for feedback, man. And I'm going to go ahead and leave y'all on this day. It's a beautiful day outside here in sunny Orlando, Florida, man. So I hope everybody stay blessed. Make sure that whatever you do in life, make sure it makes you happy, man. If it does not make you happy, why do it? So you know what? Live life. Do more of that. All right? I'll holler at y'all later. It's that guy Ike. Peace.